Hello everyone, today's our recipe is a cake and it is very simple, at the same time very tasty also. It need limited ingredients and the main specialty is that we are not baking this cake. Let us see what are the procedures. Let us see what are the ingredients needed. And here 3 packets of Oreo I have taken, 1, 2, 3 packets of Oreo and 3 slices of bread I have taken, and this is one Cadbury shoots, and it is not that much necessary, it is for decoration. And the other thing that we need is a little bit milk and 1 spoon of sugar. Okay, this is the only ingredients that we need, and let us start. Firstly, we have to separate the biscuits and the cream like this. Separate the biscuit and we have to take the cream like this. Okay, all the biscuits that we have to separate the cream like this. Okay, and let me complete all these things, and afterwards separated all the biscuits and the cream like this. Now the biscuits and the cream are separated and I'm going to make it as a powder. So I'm transferring all these biscuits into a mixer grinder. Now it is finely powdered and I'm going to transfer it into another cup. To make it as a paste, for that I'm going to add some milk in it. Mix it as a fine paste. Now it is ready as a fine paste. Okay, the Oreo biscuits that I have made as a fine paste, and keep it aside. To take the milk and add 1 spoon of sugar in it. Mix it well. Keep it aside. Cut the sides of the bread. This part we don't need. Okay, we have to cut it like this. We have to remove all the sides of the bread. Remove all the sides of the bread. Now it is ready for setting. Okay, then let us start our cake. To set the cake, I have taken one cake board over here, and it is not necessary. You can set the cake on in a plate also. Okay. And firstly, that we are going to add this cream that we have made with the Oreo biscuits. Little bit spread over there, and I'm putting 1 bread over there. A little bit milk to make it wet. Okay, yeah, that's enough. Next, again this Oreo cream that we have made before. Spread it evenly. Again another piece of bread. Make it wet with the milk. Again Oreo cream. Then our last piece of bread. The same thing that we are going to do with this also. Adding a little bit milk. Again spread the cream. Now you cover the entire bread with this cream. Okay, let us do it. Now our bread is fully covered with the Oreo cream, and I am going to decorate it. Any chocolates that you can use, here I am using the Cadbury shoots. According to your imaginations, you can do it. I am just doing like this. Okay, and I'm going to put some sugar balls. All these things are not necessary. To make it attractive, I'm just putting some sugar balls here and there. Now our Oreo cake with bread is ready. All of you please try it and give me the feedback in comment box. Thank you for watching.